What if I told you the iPhone 18 Pro Max might break a record, but not the kind Apple would want to brag about? Because according to new leaks, this could be the heaviest and thickest iPhone Apple has ever made. YEP leaker Instant Digital claims the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max will tip the scales at over 240 grams, possibly around 143 grams. To put that in perspective, that's even heavier than the iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Pro Max, both of which already hit that 240-gram mark. And if that wasn't enough, it's also rumored to be thicker than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which was 8.8 millimeters thick. So yeah, Apple might be taking Pro Max to a whole new level of heavyweight champion, but here's where it gets interesting. According to the leak, this design shift isn't random. Apple may have decided to prioritize hardware upgrades and battery life over keeping the phone light and slim. The disappointing sales of the iPhone Air might have convinced Apple that people care more about performance than portability. So why exactly is the iPhone 18 Pro Max gaining weight? Well, several rumored changes could explain it. Reports suggest Apple's planning a bigger and stronger camera system, possibly new sensors or lens mechanics that demand more space. There's also talk about a larger battery with a steel casing, which would definitely add a few grams. Another big change, the Face ID system might finally move under the display, freeing up the notch area but adding more complex components underneath the screen. All these factors combined could easily explain the increase in size and weight. Now, while these upgrades sound great on paper, it raises a serious question. How heavy is too heavy? If you've ever used the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you already know how tiring it can feel during long use. Apple even switched from stainless steel to titanium in the iPhone 15 Pro series just to cut down on weight. So if the iPhone 18 Pro Max really crosses 240 grams again, that's a huge step backward in comfort. Some people argue that if the battery lasts longer and the camera gets even better, the extra grams won't matter. But others say Apple might be ignoring one of the biggest complaints from users, that these phones are simply becoming too heavy to use comfortably. And let's be real, no matter how powerful or premium a phone feels, if it's uncomfortable to hold, that's a problem. So what do you think? Would you buy a thicker and heavier iPhone if it meant better specs and battery life? Or would that be a deal breaker for you? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe for more quick and simple tech breakdowns like this one.